If you would like to know how to build a recirculating deep water culture system, we will enlighten you on this. We have various types of hydroponic systems, and recirculating deep water culture system is one of them. Recirculating deep water culture system, or DWC, is one of the most convenient, easy to build, and moderate cost hydroponic systems you can go for. So let's explore how to build a recirculating deep water culture system. What is a deep water culture and recirculating deep water system? Deep water culture is a method of hydroponic system gardening whereby plants' roots are suspended or submerged in a nutrient-rich solution and oxygenated water. There is a reservoir used to store the nutrient and water solution for plants' use. Now, this deep water culture system has different types, and recirculating deep water culture, or RDCWC, is the one we are going to be talk about. In a regular or traditional deep water culture, there's the stress of monitoring each system's potential hydrogen, nutrient level, and so on. It is only ideal for a small system. However, if you wish to have a larger system that will contain more plants, recirculating deep water system should be your choice. Learn how to build a recirculating deep water culture system. Recirculating deep water culture system is the combination of different deep water culture systems through some connecting pipes. The major difference between deep water culture and recirculating deep water culture is that the nutrient water solution in RDCWC will be pumped from a big reservoir. Then it will be passed through other small systems and returns to the reservoir, thus creating a recirculation. Materials required: a big nutrient reservoir, small gallon of buckets, net pots, air stones, air tubing, air pumps, growing medium, nutrient solution, potential hydrogen meter, and connecting pipes, grow lights for indoor purpose. Step 1. Obtain a big reservoir tank for storing nutrient solutions. Now, this big tank will be linked to every other small reservoir for each plant. Then all the small tanks or reservoirs will be connected by pipes. It is this big tank that will pass or supply nutrient solutions to other small tanks. It will now be returned or recirculated back into the big tank. An inline water filter is used to control and recirculate the water. The roots of your plants will be totally suspended on this nutrient solution. Note that the big reservoir needs to be stored in a light-proof container. Step 2. Obtain some air pump and air stone to be put in the big tank and each small tank. Air stones will produce bubbles that encourage gas exchange and good aeration in combination with air pumps. So, this will keep the root of your plants well oxygenated, as oxygenation is paramount to the survival of your plants in RDCWC. Step 3. Next, use net pots to hold your plants in. The net pots have holes that will allow your plant roots to reach below the nutrient water solution. Then go ahead to fill the net pots with a growing medium like perlite, clay pellets, pebbles, lava rocks, and so on. Step 4. When you're done setting up your deep water culture system, ensure you check the pH value. Always sustain a pH range of 5.5 to 6.5 for optimal growth. The nutrient solution in your reservoir can be replaced once a week or once in 2 weeks. Also, ensure you always check the nutrient conditions in your reservoir with an EC meter and ppm meter. Plants that can be grown in recirculating deep water culture system. So, plants that can be grown in recirculating deep water culture system include tomatoes, lettuce, herbs, squash, pepper, cucumbers, and so on. Benefits of recirculating deep water circulating system. These are the benefits you stand to gain when using recirculating deep water culture system for planting. Recirculating deep water culture system is very easy to set up, and the components are easily accessible. This system is cost-effective. Also, maintenance is not demanding once your system is up and running. There is less worrying about clogging or blocked pipes or systems. You enjoy the faster growth of plants because nutrients are absorbed directly and easily. Also, the rich oxygenated system encourages faster nutrient uptake. Taller or larger plants can be grown in the recirculating deep water culture system. The watering scheme is very easy. The fertilization requirement is not demanding as the plants are always submerged in nutrient-filled water solutions. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.